Problem on impact. I will read out the problem statement. A 20 kg wagon means a vehicle, a railway which carry the goods. A 20 kg wagon moving at a speed of 0.5 meter per second towards right collide with 35 kg wagon, which is another wagon is given, mass is given, which is at a rest. If after collision the 35 kg wagon or car is observed to move to the right at the speed of 0.3 meter per second, determine the coefficient of restitution between the two wagons. So we will speak diagrammatically. So these two wagons are given. One is of 20 kg, the another one is of 35 kg. Its initial velocity is 0.5 meter per second. Wagon 1 mass is 20 kg, wagon 2 mass is 35 kg. Initial velocity for wagon 1 is 0.5 meter per second. Initial velocity for wagon 2 is 0. It is mentioned in the problem which is at a rest. So initial velocity for wagon 2 is 0. V1 we don't know. And after this impact, after this collision, this 35 kg is observed to be moving right with the velocity 0.3 meter per second, which is given in the problem. Now to solve this, and they ask you the coefficient of restitution between these two. So first clue or first step is we'll use the law of conservation of momentum, and we know that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. We'll substitute the values in this equation and we will get unknown value as v1, and v1 is equal to minus 0.025 meter per second. This minus sign indicate that after this impact, means after this 20 kg collides with the 35 kg, this 20 kg wagon is moving towards the left. This minus sign indicate that it is moving towards the left. Now we need to find out E, and our formula to calculate V is equal to V2, E is equal to V2 minus V1 upon U1 minus U2, velocity of separation divided by velocity of approach. So that is equal to 0.3 minus 0.025. This is V2 V1 U1 U2, 0.5 minus 0, and after substituting that we'll get E is equal to 0.65, and that is the coefficient of restitution between the two wagons. Now next problem is three perfectly elastic balls, 2 kg, 6 kg and 12 kg are moving in the same direction with velocities 12 meter per second, 4 meter per second and 2 meter per second respectively. If the ball of mass 2 kg strikes 6 kg and then 6 kg strikes to 12 kg, find velocity of all after the impact. So from the problem we can develop a diagram. These three balls are given which are perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means E is equal to 1 between these all. So second mass is 6 kg, third mass is 12 kg. Their initial velocities are given. They are moving in a one direction or same direction. Now we'll consider the impact between this 2 kg and 6 kg. So we'll denote them this 2 kg as a mass m1 or ball number 1, and this 6 kg as a ball number 2. So this 6 kg will be m2. Now u1 is given, u1 u2 are given, masses are given, v1 and v2 are unknown. So again we will use the first step, the law of moment of conservation, and we will get m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. In this we'll get, after putting the values, known values, we'll get the equation in terms of v1 plus v2. So we'll get v1 plus 3 times v2 equal to 24. Now as in the problem E is equal to 1 is given, so we'll use that relation also, that is a perfectly elastic condition is given. So E is equal to 1, and that is equal to v2 minus v1 upon u1 minus u2. Again after putting the initial velocities we'll get the equation in terms of v2 minus v1 is equal to 8, and after these two equation 1 and 2 solving, we'll get v1 is equal to 0 and v2 is equal to 8 meter per second. It means that after the impact this 2 kg ball comes to the rest, and this 6 kg ball is moving with 8 meter per second and collides with the next ball, that is a 12 kg ball. So first ball of 2 kg will come to the rest, and this 6 kg will move with 8 meter per second and collide with the next third ball is 12 kg. Now the step number 2. Now this is 6 kg ball and its initial velocity is now 8 meter per second, we found from the first case, and this is a third ball is of 12 kg. The initial velocity is given as 2 meter per second. So now we'll consider impact between this 6 kg and 12 kg. We'll denote this as a ball number 2 and this as a ball number 3. So their masses are m2 and m3, which is given. u2, this their initial velocity are given. We don't know about final velocity, and that we have to find out. Again we'll use law of conservation of momentum, and that will give us the relation between the v2 and v3, and after substituting the values of masses and initial velocity, we'll get v2 plus 2v3 is equal to 12. Again we'll use, as we know that elastic impact is mentioned between these three balls, so E is equal to 1, and now our equation will become v3 minus v2 divided by u2 minus u3. So out of initial conditions are known, initial velocities are known, so we'll get equation v3 minus v2 is equal to 6. So this will become equation number 3, and this is equation number 4. Solving this 3 and 4, we'll get values of v2 and v3. So after solving, we'll get v2 is equal to 0 and v3 is equal to 6 meter per second. Now it means this second ball, that mass of 6 kg, which comes to the rest, and ball of, that is third ball of mass 12 kg, which moving with the velocity 6 meter per second after the impact. So finally we can conclude that during this impact, this first two ball, that mass of 2 kg and 6 kg, come to the rest, and this third ball of 12 kg mass is moving with the velocity 6 meter per second.